quick. So I had my team send 6 raw eggs to her outside of the carton, and she's been a repeat customer ever since. So now the package is going to slow down. As it slows down, it gets closer to the ground. We will softly place it down. The pup falls away. Reels on back up. As it gets close to the drone, it's going to slow down that winch so we don't get caught in the prop wash and flip around the leg and hit the prop. Those props are carbon fiber. Everything on the drone's carbon fiber. Or even, yeah, if you think about in like 10-mile area, if you had, let's say, Genovese, you wouldn't notice. I don't know. Right. You wouldn't notice. You could put, get a 10-mile area, blindfold 25 people work apart, they're not going to be such a big area. And you see just a 1 second. So as it's coming down, you're going to see it kind of stop and readjust. That is the sensors that are there scanning that QR code that we have painted on that map. Once it scans that code, now it knows